Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Verde Village local and long-distance movers near me. Are you about to move between homes, or are you relocating to a new business location? Do you need a fast and reliable moving company to manage the relocation process? If you are in the right place. 3 Movers is the perfect moving organization to provide excellent moving services. In Verde Village, Arizona, we offer high-quality and cheap local and long-distance moving services. Our services are highly efficient because we work with qualified staff and high-technology moving trucks. Our movers are highly professional and experienced. They are friendly, knowledgeable, and always happy to assist you during the relocation process. Also, our moving trucks are of the best standard. They are specially made to accommodate and transport items such as large furniture sets, home appliances, office equipment, clothing, documents, kitchen items, and other items over long distance. One of the reasons why our clients find it easy to work with us is our flexible and unique moving packages. We can customize our moving packages to fit your specific needs. We work with your budget and suggest adequate packages that are within your budget. Our cost estimate also gives you an idea of how much the move will cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Verde Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.